How you doing? How you doing? How you guys doing, my friend? How was the weekend? How you guys doing, my friend? How was the weekend? How was the weekend? Hello, little Heisman. Hello, Liam Sutton. Hello, Fima. How you doing, my friend? Everybody, good luck and may God bless you. Profitable trades or important lesson. How you doing, Liam? How you doing, my friend? Is the sound good? Everything's good? Is the quality good? Give me a feedback on it. I changed my microphone. I hope it's working. Cass, good miss closed on Friday. Currently up 6,500, my friend. You're doing great, my brother. Eli, good night. Tibor, good night. Trading pennies, how you doing, my friend? Big E, how you doing? Hello. Good evening, Panais. From Germany, my friend. Nice. Weekend was good, nice. Can't wait for these candles to start moving again. Yeah, we are addicted to it, and we're kind of addicted to it, don't you think? Okay. Is my 1 second. As trader book opening minus 100 points going to load at start. Ooh, if it opens with a like, I think it's pretty I think it's pretty close to what happened last week. Let me just say, like, if it opens with a big drop down, let's say more than 150 to 100 points, if it opens close to 23,000, let's say it opens close to 23,000, I will probably look for a pullback up, you know. But if it opens like with a little gap, let's say 80 to 100 points, 120 points, then I will probably look for a continuation down, you know. But if already opens like well discounted, then I'll probably look for a pullback, you know. I marked out these gaps right here on the daily chart. There's a big one from June last year. So maybe it's a magnet, this 22,951. I don't know. Is the song too loud, guys? Like, it's a good mix between like my voice and the music behind. Trading pennies, you like the clutterless charts? Nice. Yeah, I'm enjoying. I used to have like a lot of things in my charts. Now I have a little less. I'm enjoying that. Weekend index showing minus 100 points. Okay. Rish, if it does open down, I think it'll bounce at 23k. Yeah, probably. Yeah. Let's do a quick review from Friday, man. Like, I only look at New York session open. Like, I got some really nice trades on New York session. Yeah. There was, as you guys know, I'm studying this ICT concept and I'm applying it, trying to apply it. Like, this order block, I took trades here. I remember trading this fair value gap too. Oof, this song is a little slow. It's blowing my mind, this song. Hello Deepa, how you doing? Feel like these days London session is easy to trade than New York session because it's so choppy. You trade London session, Rich? Tell me, talk to me. We may have a surprise for you guys. I have to see if Pasha responds me. Nice. Like, who's in the chat trades London session? Talk to me. Good morning, Janus. It's night for me. Where are you living? Like, you're all the way on the Western Hemisphere? No, not Western Hemisphere. It's like, what is it like? Hemisphere is like north and south, isn't it? UK, nice, Liam. You trade London session. 11. Like, here is almost 7 p.m. here, so 4 hours. Guam, nice. Good night, Jireito. Janus, 1 hour away from Japan, nice. Oh, brother, so it's good morning for you. What time is it in Guam? Sorry. Still Sunday. $7:55 a.m. So you possibly would trade London session. Yeah, but talking about Friday, Attica, 10:55, still Sunday. España in Spain is 11:55. This is the third Sunday I've watched this live stream. Congratulations, brother. Thank you. You're welcome every time. Yeah. If any one of you could be so kind and hit the like button on the way in, that will help me a lot. And subscribe to the stream too. Let's have a fun night, a fun Sunday open. Let's not like go for massive big wins. The week's just starting. Let's try to, if the market presents itself with good opportunities, let's try to take advantage of it. Remember, it's only Sunday open. Like, it's fun to trade, it's nice to trade. Maybe there's huge volatility, but we're here like to keep you guys company, possibly give you guys some good insights, but mainly like try to help you guys avoid bad trades. That's what I really try to do, because I know you guys can trade, but sometimes we just cannot avoid the bad ones. Janus trading London and Japan session. Nice. Yeah. Is trade day actually better than lucid? Like, I'm gonna be like in depth to you. I don't know much about trade day. I gotta be honest. I'm not gonna say that they are the best about, because I really don't know much about trade day. I know that Pasha is affiliated with them, and if any one of you guys use them, you can like give insights. Looking like a minus 100 gap down in NASDAQ. I know that there was some bad news like in the middle of the afternoon for me. Electricity cut in parts of Tehran following attacks on infrastructure. Like, maybe they will like counter that. Like, Iran will counter that. You know, but like for sure, like this week is promising, because this war, I don't think it's ending anytime soon, to be honest. Like in the next 1, 2, 3 weeks. So it's another break news price section. Oh, to what time you said? Did these stocks play? I'll be probably streaming for 4 hours into the Sunday open. Like last week we did almost 5 hours. Yeah. Markets open, little gap, not that big of a gap. Revunet, hello my friend, how are you doing? Ooh, it's jumping a lot. Good night, Revunet, how are you doing? Too close. So many headlines, yeah, for sure. Good night, J-Rod. How you doing, my friend? How you doing, my friend? Henrietta, welcome. Welcome to the stream. Happy Sunday. How you doing? How was your weekend? Everything's good? Yeah, guys. Hit the like button. It helps a lot. And if you guys would consider subscribing to the stream, would be also very, very good. Yeah, a gap. Like let's look at the market. A tiny gap compared to what it was like last Sunday. So I would probably like to see continuation to the downside. Yeah, let's see how the 5 minute closes. The 1 minute, yeah, leaving a little gap between here and here. Let's see what happens. Yeah, I'm going to put a line in the middle here. I think this is the magnet for the night, for the session. I'm going to lock this level. 945 is the middle of a daily fair value gap from June 2025. So yeah, man, I'm happy. I'm really, really happy. I'm happy that I'm trading Sunday with you guys. Pima, oh man, you're the best. Silver, what's Silver doing? Ooh, you're long Silver, brother. Yeah, maybe it's a good long. Middle of this whole movement here. Let's look at gold, what gold is doing. Yeah, gold is pushing up. Oil, a little bit of gap and already closed the gap. Yes, don't want anything to do with the gap. Yeah, I don't see any trades right now, my friends. I want to see these be taken and we trade below, maybe a pullback, and then I enter. That's what I'm trying to do right now. Filter long, my friend. Ooh. Long on MNQ? Watch your long at. Silver going a bit. Let's see. Yeah, it looks like he wants to close the gap at least. Yeah, red 5 minute candle. Man, I'm really want to short this candle to go for the full continuation. That's what I really want to do. Yeah, and Rita, you're probably right. Wait a few minutes, see what the price action does. React off of it. Janus, have I heard of candlestick footprint data with computed delta buy sell analysis for each candlestick? Probably I've seen something like that, but bro, just reading that already made my mind like hurt. So I'm this right here is easy. If it works, Nice. Brother, I really want to short this. I'm going to add one short right here.
Order
Ooh,
filled.
bad feel.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
I really want to short this. Let's see if it pushes down. Let's see if it goes for the 1.5. Alright, it's looking nice. It's looking nice. Already almost 30 points. Ooh, I don't like this bounce. Oh no. I spoke too soon. I did not need this bounce. Yeah, I'm gonna hold this one. I'm gonna hold this one micro. Yeah, but this rejection right here, man, not optimal. What you guys think on this trade? It's so weak, yeah. FEMA, I stopped trade on it. Yeah, you're burning too much accounts. Yeah, FEMA, they're like. Sorry, I had to clean my voice. Yeah, FEMA, like for the discipline, like we all go through it, ups and downs. But I gotta be honest, like we gotta like act like adults. Like there's no other way. Like if you know that what you're doing, it's like the outcome of it is blowing accounts. There's no like magic behavior that you can do. Like I can say to you, oh, like if you lose $100, you $200 when you hit your daily max loss limit, like you close your PC and you go about your day, and tomorrow you come back. Like that's the cliche, or oh, like, but I know we all can do that, but we don't, and that's why we keep like people when we are struggling and burning accounts. The reality is like there's no other way than just to like act as an adult. Like I've grown up and like be responsible and know like what I'm doing is wrong. I'm gonna stop it. I'm gonna man up. I'm gonna do the right thing, you know. Because we can use all these tools, but we always can like bypass it, you know. It's a matter of like holding our own, you know.
Order filled. Order submitted.
I'm going to try to add one contract here, and I'm going to try to get like 10 points on it to get a better average on this trade.
Order submitted.
Yeah, these wicks on the bottom of these candles are not good. Are not good for me. They're 100% not good to me. Henrietta, you got the trade at 70. Nice. $141 was a level you marked. Nice. Is the stream buffering for anyone else besides Eli? Yeah, to me here, it shows that like there's no dropped frame, so the stream should be running smoothly. It should be running smoothly, like it's 0% dropped frames. IB Ubu. Hey Leo, good evening. Good evening, my friend. How you doing? Let's see what I was doing. Yeah, I'm betting on this chart, but I don't know if it closes above the view up. I'm probably getting out. Night trading. I'm trading from Brazil, man. I live in Brazil. You're stopped out, Henrietta? On profit or was a stop loss? $2.2 points, okay. Nice, guys. 200 people already in here. Welcome, guys. You guys are awesome. For real. Let's have a great Sunday open, guys. Yeah, I'm betting on this price section to continue down. I'm using this trend line, but man, it can stop me out at any moment. Like, I'm not even kidding. Like, the trade went in my favor like 30 points instantly, and then it started doing this. It's the first 15 minutes. Usually the best volatility comes after the first hour, so let's not like pursue this too much. If it closes this candle above the view up, I'm getting out of this trade. It's probably going for the close. Like, the volume is not that good. It's not that good here. Oh, it's going to stop me out before. Yeah, I'm out.
Order filled.
Yeah, this trade was like 30 points in my favor instantly and reversed in my head, in my face. I knew this all along that was going to be a bad trade once it reversed it like that. But yeah, FEMA, smash the like button, guys. Yeah, it's a miracle that Pasha lets me do this. Not a miracle, but like, I'm amazed, and he seems to enjoy that I do this. But helping me with the like, it's always good. I'm gonna stop asking for likes, to be honest. Like I did it 3 times in 15 minutes. Sorry, guys. Yeah. Like bottom must be broken. 224 people, only 57. Yeah, J-Rod. Yeah, but like some people like just join, just want to like to listen to the stream. Maybe they're not like even on like on their phones like closely. I understand that too. I appreciate like every person that comes in, like for real. It's like it's awesome, you know. Braden, I don't think it was a bad entry at all, to be honest. Like I could stop, I could have it got out of the trade earlier to not have the full stop. That's what I should have done. Like on this rejection right here, on these two candles, I should have gotten out. But the entry was good, in my opinion. It went like 30 points in my favor instantly. I could have gotten the 30 points, but I was aiming for more, you know. And to be honest, like with these markets, like the structure shift that we had here, for me to go short, it has to do the inversing of this gap right here and do some market structure to the downside. That's what it has to do, in my opinion. But the first hour on New York session open, it's usually like a high volume on the first 5-10 minutes, and then it waits for the next 1 hour, you know. Like, so we have a good 40 minutes before it really start entering some good volume again. Yeah, you're right, FEMA. Okay, but I appreciate everyone that's here. Like, just being here is enough, but it's awesome. It's awesome, to be honest. For people coming in that like our first discovering the channel, there's the New York session stream every day too with Pasha. Let's see, let me go long here.
Order filled.
And I'm going to stop out around here, and I'm gonna pay
submitted.
Oh my god, it's not this. I'm gonna pay the price.
Order submitted.
Of
order submitted. Order submitted.
Like, look at this trade as I'm buying a ticket to see if price is going down or not. That's what I'm doing right here. I'm buying a ticket, and if I get stopped out, I'm learning that the price will probably go down. If I don't get stopped out, I get the reward of the long.
Order submitted.
Don't be afraid, you know? Don't be afraid. That's what I'm trying to do right here. Maybe the logic is not like 100% tight, but let's see. It's a 27-point stop, guys. Like, don't be too afraid. What city? I'm in Brazil. I'm in the south of Brazil, man. I'm in Floripa. J-Rod? Yeah, man. Armand took care of business. Like, he's too good. He's legit too good.
Order filled.
Yeah, let's go. Close that gap. Close that gap. See, guys, like, I'm buying a ticket. I'm gonna get a... I'm afraid of the rejection here.
Order canceled. Order canceled.
Middle of the gap. Yeah, I'm gonna put the stop at above break even, and I'm going to get out in the middle of the gap. Yeah, guys, market structure shift, like sweep to the downside, higher lows, higher highs. It like respected the first part of the gap, It's a quick scalp, 30 points. I'm being picky about the exit right here, you know. Just wanted to see it getting hit, but I should like trail my stop better here. I'm going to try to trail like 10 by 10 points. Like it's 7 points away of the full exit that I want. Yeah, I don't want to see this giving back much. Yeah, I'm going to start trading more.
Order filled.
Ooh, nice trade,
Order
guys.
canceled.
Nice trade, guys. You know? Just like market structure. Market structure, guys. Pop. This right here. When started inversing, this is this. Is this. You know? Like actually this. Is this. You know? Inversion of market structure. Let's go. I recovered the loss and I'm 50 bucks up. So there's that. Let me put this right here. Yeah, but Armon's just too good wrestling. Like he's the only threat to Ilya Topuria, man. Armon Sarukian, like he's legit too good. I didn't like him very much, especially because like when he fought Charles Oliveira, Charles the Bronx. I'm really like I'm a big fan of Charles, and I thought he won that match, but was a split decision. But now I like him a lot. Silver's up. Let's see. Ooh. Yeah, the silver. Oh, so this is the oil, man. Silver market structure. Big sweep to the downside. I don't know. Yeah, oil is prompting a push up, and it's trading above 100. I would be careful, man. Yeah. Yeah, look at the rejection of the middle of this gap, man. Like, I don't know why it works, but it works. You know, I'm just going to say that. I don't care anymore. Like, I love my ICT guy. If you apply correctly, and if you add some tweaks and twists to it, it works. 100% it works. Filter, let's go. Yeah, was a nice long. Like as I said, well, like I was kind of joking, but kind of like talking seriously. Doing the long here was the right play because of the market structure was to the upside, like with this inversion of market structure here. But if I got a candle breaking down, would be a sign that we're probably going for the downtrend. So I was like hedging myself, you know. If it doesn't go down, I'm gonna take a good trade, a good long. But if it goes down and stops me out, at least I know now where the market is going. That's what I try to do sometimes. Could fill the whole game, but I got out too early. Oh yeah. Yeah, there's a gap right here, but this gap is not that good in my opinion because it's the last gap before it starts going down. So I'm not buying this gap right here. I'm playing this gap, you know. I'm playing this gap right here. Like if it starts going up again, I go long, but I'm playing this gap right here. Hello, Split Striker. How you doing, my friend? Welcome. We just took a good trade right here. Yeah, it was a very close match, A-Rod. Like, Charles almost finished him like 2 or 3 times. Great Garden, Leo, we love you, but Arman is not ever beating Ilya. Yeah, for sure he's not ever beating Ilya, man. Dana is not letting him fight Ilya. That's why he's never beaten Ilya. Dana knows that, like, if Ilya fights Arman, it's over, you know? Ilya outgrapples Arman 10 out of 10, yeah. Yeah, being real, like, Ilya is the best fighter in the world right now. Pound for pound, best fighter in the world right now. There's no way. Like, I think he's better than on pound for pound. He's better than Islam Makhachev, in my opinion. He's just too good. Like, he knocks out everyone, but everybody forgets that he's a better wrestler than he's a boxer. So imagine that. Yeah, Grant, I agree with you 100%. Like, he's just like, he's the, like, all of the evolution of MMA. It ends up right now at Ilya. Like, all of the, when it started, like, all these different styles of fighting started fighting against each other in the 90s, and like we saw in the 2000s, like GSP getting all of those styles together for the first time for real. And now it's like the final form of MMA is like Ilya Topuria. He's just too good everywhere. Yeah, Mighty Mouse, I guess he was good everywhere, but he's too tiny too, you know. Yeah, Revenant, like, I don't know, man. Some people, ooh, maybe it was a good long right here. Maybe it was a good long right here. Yeah, for sure. For some people, like, going on a personal challenge, some people get out like even hungrier, you know. To show, like, imagine, like, he wants to show his ex-wife that he's better off now, you know. I think, like, he's that type of person. He's like a very, like, he has a very, I saw him on the, like, on some podcast, and he's speaking like he's very intelligent. Really is very intelligent. He's not dumb at all. Braden, your buy is still short. What's your opinion on swinging a short overnight, not to New York? Yeah, like, oh, this is the magnet for the night, I think. 946 to 950. Like, if there's some bad news and some people start to get off trades, I think 950 is the magnet for the night. But right now, what I can tell you is that the market structure is to the upside, man. Oil is trading above 100. Nobody's trying to buy it above 100. So, like, this is like news market. Like, the market will get a reaction if there's some news to it, you know. If there's enough news to push the market up or to push the market down. If not, we'll probably be ranging overnight. I think nobody's taking chances, like, nobody big's taking chances, like going long out of nowhere, you know. Yeah, like I said, like, I'm watching these two gaps. Below this gap, I'm shorting, and above this gap, I'm longing again. You know, you can do a lower high. Like, it gave a nice scalp off of this gap right here. It gave a nice scalp, like 20-point scalp. So trades are like, there's trades to be taken, you know, just not like Right now, I'm not a fan of going for like big swing moves, like 200, 300 point moves. I'm not seeing those type of trades right now. If you catch like 3, 4, 5 scalps of 30 points, 25 points, I think it's more probable you're green for the night. Fima, are you a car guy? Brother, I like cars. I just don't have like a lot of money to like go deep on buying cars. But I like cars. I'm not that. When I was younger, I was like more into it. But right now, bro, right now I'm thinking about getting a Corolla, man. I'm talking to my wife. Like in Brazil, I know in the US, like Corollas are like very normal car. In Brazil, is a really nice car. But it's like not for young people. Are more. It's a type of car that like old people gets. You know, it doesn't break ever. So to be honest, I'm thinking about getting a Corolla. My father-in-law loves Toyota, so it's a good option to me right now. Kind of boring, I know, but like at some point in your life, you just don't want to lose money anymore buying cars. You know, I lost a lot of money buying cars. Dicheva. Trading pennies, I don't know what Dicheva is. Let me look it up. Maybe if I forgot. Oh, Dicheva is the girl that just fought, or no? Oh no. Yeah, I don't remember her, but I'm gonna look it up. But I see what you're trying to do, trading pennies. Like, Piotr, good luck, everyone. Good. Thank you. Have a good night, Piotr. See you, brother. J-Rock, yeah, love the constant evolution of MMA. Matt Hughes to GSP was beautiful to watch, yeah. Yeah, GSP, I think, was the first guy that really fought MMA, you know? Like, he was well-rounded everywhere. Like, the only problem, in my opinion, with GSP is that he didn't have the strength in his hands, like, to knock out people. Because a lot of his fights went to decisions, unanimous decisions. He just mashed the other fighter for 5 rounds. But he didn't have that touch, like, that knocks people out. And if he had that, he was going to be like even more, like, he would probably the GOAT. He would probably be the GOAT. Because he put people in positions where he could knock out people like 10 times in a fight, but he did not have the strength in the hands, you know, to do that. Some people just has it, just like if you watch like Poatan fighting, he just need to land one good shot. He doesn't need 2, 3, 4, 5. He just need one good clean shot, and he sends people into orbit. I think it's like, I don't know, genetics or something. He's just too much power. Revenant, you're a motorcycle guy, can wait for the weather. Yeah, bro, like, to be honest, I'm more of a motorcycle guy, to be honest. I had like motorcycles. Ooh, second rejection out of the 235, man. I could have been shorting this 235 level, man. Look at this. But like, yeah, I'm probably not ever getting a motorcycle, man. Motorcycle, man. Like, it's just too dangerous in Brazil, man. In every like every aspect is too dangerous. You know. Short the bottom of the yellow range. Which yellow range, Freedom? The this one right now? I'm thinking about opening a short right here.
Order filled.
2
Order
contracts.
filled.
And if it closes a candle above the middle, I'm getting out. Because this is a clearly uptrend right now. And what I'm trying to do is play off the rejection of this
submitted.
fair value gap right here. What is what I'm trying to do. And I'm going to go for the view up.
Order submitted.
Yeah, I'm going to get one out,
failed.
and I'm going to see if I can add another, or if it goes my way. Yeah, cause there's a tiny bottom here. Yeah, but it's a nice 25 pointer right there. Probably going to
order submitted.
To trail this stop right now. 15 points trailing. It went too close to my exit, the 200. Yeah, I'm going to trail even more.
Failed.
Yeah, got up.
Order
nice
canceled.
25 pointer. Looks like a sell, yeah. Just took a short. But it's like it's ranging, guys. Look at this. Like it rejected 235 and it's rejecting 200 two times right now. So it's a range right here. In the last 10 minutes, 15 minutes is a range. So don't get too excited on these shorts. Like as I said, like for me to really go long is above 330, and for me to really go short is below 180. That's what I'm trying to see. Not boring if it starts. Yeah, Toyotas are not boring. Like I'm impressed by them, to be honest. Like it's just a good engineering. Yeah, right now I would be more on to lux cars, not much about sports cars. Corollas are legit, yeah. Revenue, you had 2 BMWs and both of them electrical issues. Huge waste of money, yeah, man. But like, it's an achievement to have a BMW, yeah, for sure. Dakota de Chiva, yeah. Beloved, you're on the third Toyota. Love them, yeah. It's like my whole family is all about the Toyotas, man. Like I've said, like I think Friday, the Hiluxes and like the SUV Hiluxes are all like it's the pinnacle for most of Brazilians. What you guys would consider like the middle Brazil? What you guys would consider like Tennessee or Texas or Colorado or something like that? Would be where in Brazil they are all about Toyotas. Toyota trucks. Chevrolet trucks too, Ford trucks too, but the Toyotas is just like what everybody wants, to be honest. But if you go to São Paulo and you try to convince like a guy to buy a Toyota, it's like he cannot get into his head. Like a 30 years old guy that was born in São Paulo is not buying ever like a Corolla or a Toyota truck. It's like convincing like a full-grown New Yorker to buy a F-150 Raptor or something like that. It's not a match. I think stream is delayed. Man, I think I had like the least delays possible. Let me see. Like, yeah, still like this stream right now looks like 0 dropped frames. Everything is green. Yeah, sorry if it's not like doing well. Dude, bro, looks like a sell. You think you might sweep the highs, the gap then come crashing down? Yeah, it's possible. It's possible. Yeah, for people that are lagging, try to change the resolution to 1080p. Like maybe if you're on 1440, maybe there's a lag. Yeah, I only stream in 1440 because YouTube gives a better render, so you guys get cleaner image than if I was streaming in 1080. That's the only reason I stream at 1440. Fedor Emelianenko is a legend. Bro, I'm behind on messages, man. Like, thank you guys. You guys are interacting a lot with the stream. That's very good, but I'm getting a little bit behind on messages. Oh, the chart is playing, man. Look at this. Oof. Just broke. Just inverted this gap. Respected this gap right here. Bro, I marked this gap on the first candle. Respected 2 times. Was a very, very nice short. Let's see if it really goes. Yeah, I love motorcycles, but yeah. Man, if you get involved in an accident, like you're the shield, you know, your body's the shield. That's the problem. Yeah, man. Yeah, like it's a funny thing, Revenant. Like when you're driving your car, you see in Brazil especially, you see people driving motorcycles like very recklessly, and they are betting that the other people won't make mistakes, basically, you know. And people in motorcycles, they are watching other people driving cars and are like, man, these dudes are not paying attention. So like it's the like the dilemma. I think we pay attention on the ones that are doing bad, you know? The ones that are doing right, they don't like stand out. Oh, someone just sent like a Eric? I don't know what that language is. Henrietta, you were short 20 points, nice. Congrats. You're always in good trades. Out at 3.5. You're trading NQ, Henrietta? What you're trading? Let's see what oil is doing. Ooh, oil's respected the middle of this gap right here. 102. 60 cents right there. Yeah, silver and gold are lacking to me. Ooh, Bitcoin's falling hard. Man, look at this. Like, bro, I'm gotta be honest. BTC, Bitcoin is not looking pretty. It's breaking this flag right here, this channel. Bitcoin is not looking great right now. Look at this. It's going for the 50,000, guys. It's going for the 50k Bitcoin. Just wait. Ooh, it's inverting like crazy, this gap. Yeah, I missed out on this whole short. Yeah, it's just too bad. You'd like to watch the first 10 or so GSP fights? It was super exciting. Yeah, GSP is a legend, like for real. Yeah, after the loss. Cody, I'm like, yeah, Cody, I don't know, like I talked about this on Friday. Maybe the craziness of Tradeovate was getting me anxious. Like it's not Tradeovate's fault, it was my fault. But like seeing the chart, the candles tick less, it's kind of helpful to me because now I don't pay attention that much what the candle is doing. while it's open. I'm more paying attention what the candle is doing after it's closed. So it doesn't matter how it ticks. And like, you know, I'm going to go short on 1 micro here. This is a bad short. This is a bad short. Like right from the back. I'm gonna close the short.
Order filled.
A bad decision. I'm gonna wait for a pullback. You can work this short, but I'm gonna wait for a pullback. Yeah, like I like to trade where my chart analysis is at, like my drawings are at. Like I'm getting used to it. There's a I'm watching the Ninja Trader too also, but I don't know, Ninja Trader maybe is not that good for the stream, you know. But I don't know. I'm liking TradingView, to be honest. I just wish they had better controls for the trade, you know. Once the trade is open, we could drag and we could put orders easily. This whole right clicking and putting orders and dragging them and to change the amount of contracts is hard. Should have, like, on the right side should have a control center for your trades, you know, like Ninja Trader has or TraderVate has on the upper part. I don't know why they don't do that. Hello, Biblical. Welcome, brother. Muscam, hope you're still here, man. Yeah, every day there's New York stream. Every single day there's New York stream. Yeah, I think we'll start having London session streams too. I don't know if you guys are excited, like if you guys want that, but I think we're probably tomorrow we'll have the first one. Probably tomorrow. We will have like 2 or 3 hours of London session trading, a live stream, and then Pasha comes in at New York session, 9 a.m. New York time, every day, like it has been doing forever. You went short looking at how nice the order blocks have. Yeah, this rejection right here of the 5 minute, it's right at the spot where the buyers entered at this 5 minute candle. So this is not a good sign, you know. It's just showing that the buyers are here still, 160. So I gotta be careful with the shorts, you know. Taxes good in Brazil? No, taxes are not good in Brazil. Like income taxes in Brazil are not that high, but consumer taxes are very, very high in Brazil. Ooh, that's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. Like this level 160 is where buyers started really pushing the market, and it formed this 5 minute candle right here. So we got to the 160 level again, and the buyers are still there, you know. So this can be a higher low, this can be whatever, you know. So now what I'm going to do, I don't care about this gap anymore. I care about this candle right here. I'm gonna paint it this color. This gap is still important because it's a magnet right here. We can go there all over again. This tiny gap right here, I'm gonna paint it yellow, and if it inverts, we're going all the way back up. That's what I'm seeing right now, guys. If that makes sense. If that makes sense. BMWs are nice, but they are a money trap. Yeah. Yeah, brother. Yeah, I'm not a fan of wasting money on cars anymore. Like, if I got enough money where it doesn't make a difference, I'll probably buy a nice car, but what time would I come in for London? I don't know what time would that be. I'm going to short this just because it's a bad entry.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
This is a 15-point stop.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
I'm going to play as like, if it rejects VWAP, if this downtrend here continues, if it's going to test 160 again, if it's not going to invert this gap, I want to be short. That's why I'm short. It's a 15-point stop, and that's it. There's no other reason, you know. It can't just run past it, and I'm 15 points down. That's it. And the right spot for the stop is here. And if it breaks this level, then I'm going all the way to the
order submitted.
Low of the high of the session right now. That's what I'm trying to do. Yeah, Freedom, like if trade and open it, but it's too complicated. It's too complicated. Like, trading view is too complicated. I don't know what time would be. Like, the London session would probably be 1 hour or 1.5 hours after London open. I don't know, would be like 5:30 a.m. New York. I would start streaming at 5:30 a.m. New York time. So I don't know like where you live and what time would be. Depends. Because I usually up that time, that hour, at that time. And I'm already at the PC. I just have to adjust the time that I go to sleep, to be honest, to have more energy. Tokyo and see you in 9 minutes, yeah. Yeah, I should wait. I should wait to take this trade, to be honest, because of the Tokyo New York Tokyo exchange opening. But it's only 15 points. If I missed any messages, like, just please resend them. I would appreciate that very much. I don't like to miss messages. J-Rod, how is the EV market in Brazil? It's growing, man. There's like a lot of Chinese companies here, and they are like unloading their cars in Brazil. Very good cars. People like them, especially like in the like big cities. People like the electric, the EVs, the hybrids. But like I think it's like 3-4% of the market. Yeah, I'm not liking this. I will probably get stopped out of this trade. Probably. Oh, I didn't realize this is a 5-minute gap. So it's trading above the center of this gap. Yeah, I'm trying to short at the lower half of the range of the day. So I'm shorting at a bad spot.
Order filled. Order cancelled.
Okay. Yeah, the market structure like it just did the same thing
Order cancelled.
as it did right here. Like higher lows at the 1 minute, inverted the fair value gap. I'm gonna wait for the closure of the opening of the next hour candle. And I'm going to see what I do. Dude, bro, yeah, I do. I trade full time, and I'm helping Pasha on the channel, like however I can. That's what I do every day. Like I trade full time, and I'm also doing this right now. Short now to 185. Why do I short now, man? Where's the stop of this trade, brother? That's the most important thing, and you're not saying. You always offer amazing insight. I have made a bunch listening to your info. Nice, nice, beloved. Like that's the goal. Like to be a company, to be a little bit of entertainment, and to like, if I can avoid, if I can help people avoid doing like really bad trades, that's the main goal. Because I know that you guys can get good trades, you know. But sometimes you're not seeing clearly and you can do some really bad mistakes. And I try to present like a view of the market. Like let's say someone is really it's going full longs right now, and I can say that like that's not really a good option. Like I can clearly say that going full longs right now is not a good option in my opinion. I have to wait to see like 236 break. I have to see market structure, I have to see pressure, then I start going long, for real. Like if it trades below 230, I'm waiting for a good opportunity to short, you know. And I can be wrong too, 100%. I don't know what PDL means, Timothy. Previous day low? 231. Okay. What do I think about gold? Let's see. Yeah, if gold start closing candles below 405, I think it can drop a lot. I would probably look to this fair value gap around here as a first target, you know. That's what I would look for gold. I'm not that good of a gold trader. There's this trend line right here. If it breaks to the upside, you can do like this, and it could be a good long. This can be a double bottom right here. You have to follow price and try to understand what it's doing and try to react off of it. Right now, I don't see a good trade on gold. Like at this moment on the 5-minute chart, I don't see a good trade on gold. Like in the 1 hour, it's respecting the middle of this huge gap right here, so it maybe does a push up. And Q, yeah, on the 2 minutes, it's kind of slowly grinding up. So maybe we see a push down, you know, maybe we see a push down, like one big candle down. Because it's not normal to grind up like this. It's not normal. But yeah, like buyers started buying again at 161. We called that, and they did not stop. They did not stop. And it's getting more and more aggressive. We good today. We good. For me, they're really bad trades when I go on tilt, following my rules, and the market stops me out 1, 2, 3 times, and I lose it sometimes. Yeah, keeping it cool after having like straight losses is the hardest part. Like sometimes we lose 1, 2, 3 times, and like that's when we start over leveraging, increasing contracts, like getting riskier trades. And sometimes it works, but usually it's not that good. Usually like it ends up bad. Like the mentality of there's always the next trade, there's always the next day, there's always the next market, and seeing that everything doesn't ride on the last trade you took, all your money cannot be riding on the last trade or the next trade you're taking. You know, the outcome of 1, 5, 10 trades cannot be important. You know, like if I spend this week losing every single day, it cannot be something that affects me. You know, it has to be like controlled losing for when we start getting money in again. Yeah, I'm going to short this.
Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted.
I'm seeing the rejection. I'm going to play for the
order submitted.
For the order block. I'm ready to stop this. Just so you know, I'm ready to stop this. Like this candle has to have continuation. It's a rejection play of this fair value gap. If it inverts and close candles above 220, I'm getting out. That's the thing. I'm going to put like that's what I'm saying. Like, look how hard it is to put a stop loss on the screen. I have to click 2 times, or I have to come here, do this.
Order canceled.
Oh my god, no, yeah. The first one got out. Let's put a stop loss on the screen.
Order submitted.
I'm going for the 174. Like it's the start of this order block on the 1 minute. It has to break this view up, man. It has. So see, like that little stop, we already like up again. Let's see if it works my way, this trade. 15. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna get these marks out. Too many things on my screen. 26, 36 points plus 15, 50 points trade. Do I go for more? Like, do I go for more? Do I go for more? Yeah, Timothy, your call was right, man. You're a very good trader. I'm joking. Like, you called the right trade, man. I'm just not going to take trades based off other people are saying, to be
Order
honest.
filled.
Like, I have to
Order
come up with
canceled.
my own trade, man. Like, I was watching this, like, this has to be this, need to be other, like this. For me, this is kind of an order block. I don't know why, but it is. I saw this rejection. Look how many times the 1 minute got rejected, guys. Like wicks on the upper side. Like this formation right here, to me, is these two candles right here is a formation of the end of a movement. So it's usually where I try to enter. Like, so that's why I took a short. It was a 20-point stop to a 35, 40 points reward. I took something off a VWAP and took something off at the start of this order block right here. Was the right decision. Look how it's bouncing. And again, I don't know why these things work. I just accepted that they work. Like, look where it bounced. Like, look where it ticked and bounced. And got the bounce. Like, at the start of this order block right here. So, I don't know why they work. Right now, I couldn't care less. I just accepted that they work. And like, to be honest, this right here was an order block too. And look where it bounced previously. Like, talk to me. Look at where it bounced. Like, the middle of this order block. Like, what's the reason to stop for it to stop right here? Nothing. There's no reason, you know. But it stopped. If you're going to trading settings, seek project order for market orders. Yeah, split striker. What I want is to be able to, when I enter a trade, I click and drag the stop and the take profit and the stop loss. I want to click the line where the trade's placed, and I want to drag it. You know, I need to create the take profit and the stop loss. That's what I want. Yeah, like I said, like oil, yeah, it respected this gap, but right now, man, it's a downtrend. Let's use this as a, yeah. Gold is trading below the level that I just talked about. Ooh, this big rejection on the 5 is not good. This is not pretty. Yeah, I don't like the price action gold right now. The gold's price action, I don't like it. I don't like it at all. Yeah, guys, this is a, like, charts wise, is a compressing market, you know? It's a market that is doing this. This is market right here. This is what it's doing. So it, like, this could be a buy point to go back here. But at some point, this type of market, it either breaks like this or breaks like this. You know? Oh, I passed through Mango messages. Oh man, sorry Mango if you're here. I passed through your message. Man, dude, it's a lot of messages. I think Mango went out. Mango, yeah, he's not here anymore. Yeah, guys. Since it's more than 1 hour, I'm going to ask again. If you're considering hitting the like button and push the likes to above 100, it would be awesome. It would be really, really awesome. It helps a lot. And if you want, you can consider subscribing to the stream. It also helps a lot. And both things are free, you know? Do you know why TradeSyncer always tells me it can't close my trades because TradeAway limiting them? Amaro, you have to change the API settings. You have to let it have more, like the maximum API, I think. It's something like that. Because sometimes it limits, like, you can have like 60 exchanges of information per minute, and if you do like 65, those last 5 won't get executed. So you have to ramp up the API limits. It's something like that. I haven't used TradeSyncer in a while, but Pasha had the same problem, the exact same problem. I think when I used was like 15,000 connections per hour or something like that. Oh yeah, Henrietta, I think you talked. I think you told me about the indicator. I like to place my own fair value gaps and order blocks because some of them I don't use. There's some that I ignore, and I like to draw my own things. But I appreciate the indication, like the recommending that. I know, don't tell me I'm stuck with TradeAway on-run parallels, as I've heard horrible stories from Mac users. Yeah, you use Mac, Henrietta, for TradeAway? I traded on Mac OS on TradeAway. Oh, huge bot. Why did I exclude this? Yeah, TradeAway it's a very like straight to the point. I just wish they had better drawing tools. That's what I wish. It's too outdated. Trading pennies? Yeah, be careful. Yeah, Mango's not back. Man, I saw his message and I was reading like some like sequenced messages, and I was like, I'm going to read to see what Mango is saying in a while, and I just forgot. I see if he comes back. Let's see if he comes back. Yeah. Timothy, you are the biblical trader Chuckles on Discord, just for me to get it straight, like if he's the same person. Vaga, Leo, why you working on Sunday evening? Bro, I'm not working, like I'm hanging out with you guys. That's what I'm doing. I'm just like hanging out. Why wouldn't I? All your accounts are from Apex. Yeah, but like, imagine there's a amount of signals that Tradeovate can send to TradeSyncer and back and forth. And if those signals are capped, like let's say you can only send 10 signals per minute and you send 15, you know, those last 5 that went above won't get executed. It's kind of like that. That's your, maybe you have to do the settings to be more than what it is right now. I think it's the API thing. It's easy to spot on the screen. Only 9 accounts, 15, 5,000. Yeah, so I don't know what's happening, man. Yeah, in Rieta, like once you get accustomed to Mac, I can see you never going back. It's just too smooth, you know. Everything works perfectly. I'm a PC guy. I'm a Windows guy forever. Mainly because I like gaming, you know. So let me put the execution marks here. Bro, this trade was nice. We took the trade like around here and we exit around here and here. Why is doing that? We took like a nice range. Clean exit here too. Gotta be honest. Not gonna lie. Imagine what I can do on New York session, guys. Ooh. When it runs 200 points. I love, man, I like trading so much. Like, for real, I love trading. No support on NAS 100? Maybe. I'm hustling. I don't know what I'm doing. I don't think so. Huh. I'm Brazilian. I don't know if you... I'm not Portuguese. But very similar. Kind of similar. Portuguese are my brothers. I love my tugas. Yeah, like Mac for the virus thing. Yeah, it's, I know that today they have some, like, the hackers did some things that they like, okay, they can do some things on Mac, but yeah, I think it's in that sense of like having no virus, it's awesome, to be honest. Especially like today on Windows, you have pretty good safety if you know what you're doing, you know. But if you're not careful, yeah, you can get very bad, like in I don't know how to say in English, but yeah, my father-in-law, man, he got his like bank account hacked like too many times, you know, like his credit card hacked too many times. It's by like clicking in emails. like fake emails, you know. Yeah, Portuguese people, how can I say, like the way they are is very different from Brazilians. Yeah, Portuguese people are straight to the point people. We kind of joke about that, like they are very straight to the point people. Brazilians are like let's say I think Americans are like that too. But let's say you come to Brazil and you have like friends in Brazil, and you call those friends and you say like, what's up, let's hang out Sunday, let's hang out like Saturday, let's go to a pizza place on Saturday. A Brazilian dude will never say like no. They will never say like straight up no. They will say like, oh yeah, I would love that, let me see, I'll call you back, but let's for sure do that. And if he says that, we know that is a no. But like, we are not straight to the point, you know. We never say like straight up no, because it's kind of the way our culture works. It's kind of seem like rude to do that. So you kind of lie to the person, to be honest. Like I'm more of the say no type of person, but it's not normal. So there's a running joke that is always like, you have tens of meetups that you try to make with people that never end up happening. Yeah, but like we are like for real very friendly. Like if there's a line, there's people making connections. Like if there's no way like you're in a line of on the supermarket or in the on the bank or somewhere. If you get like 2 or 3 people, they will start talking, like start making conversations, like being friendly, even if they never knew each other, you know. Like you can see someone for the first time ever, and you can end up being like making a friendship in 5 minutes, and a real friendship in 5 minutes. In Brazil, it's kind of like that. Like we're kind of open, very open. It's breaking. This trend line is breaking. Someone asked about a fair value gap. Is that a fair value gap? Where's the message? 23 185. Let's see. Yeah, this is a fair value gap. I did not use this fair value gap because he's in the middle of this range. So I was kind of waiting for it to break. That's why I didn't use it. But it respected. It gave a nice trade. Like these 3 candles right here. This 3 candle formation right here. It's a shorting formation, like a formation for the shorts. You know, in my opinion, that the way I see price action. Yeah, now we're trading inside this order block. We're trading below this trend line. What I would like to see is a new market structure, a lower high around here, and a good opportunity to take shorts. That's what I like to see. Also, let's see what oil is doing. Oil did the same type of movement that I'm waiting on NQ. It broke the trend line, higher low. What it has to do right now is go above VWAP, you know. Yeah, on the 5, there's this high right here. I think if it closes a candle below here, above here, it's a uptrend on oil. The only problem is that it's trading above 100, and we all know what happens to oil when it trades above 100. Like there's some news to push it down. Yeah, it has to close candles above 2.6, 102.6. So let's see. Yeah, on NQ, what I'm probably waiting. On NQ, what I'm probably waiting is. Yeah, maybe this is an entry right here for a short. I'm not liking it, to be honest. Right here, right now, I'm not liking it. I want a retest of this trend line and a rejection out of it. That's what I want. I want a rejection of this trend line right here. That's really what I want. There's a tiny, like, fair value gap here. It was a fair value gap formed on the break of structure, so I'm going to use that. Maybe I'm missing the perfect short right here. But remember, guys, 160 is where the buyers are at. Like, let's look at the 5. 160 is where the buyers are at. You know? 160 level is where the buyers are at. It has to break. It has to fail 160. What EMA is that? This is the view up, man. Buying coming up. Direito via de regra. I'm learning English to keep up with Pasha. Yeah, man. It's like the way I learned English, it's by consuming things in English. Music, films, TV series, video games. And as you can see, my English is not from someone that learned like in a nice school. My English is very, very like, it has flaws, but I'm learning, you know? So if you watch the stream every day, you will hear people speaking English for 7 hours straight, and you probably will get better real quick. Buying coming up. I'm not buying here. Like 160 can't be the perfect buy because it's where buyers are appearing like 2 times, 3 times now. I think I'm going to use this order block right here instead of this one. Inventor high was in Amazon River in 1968 loading thick timber in a ship. No way, brother. You were in the Amazon more than 50 years ago loading thick timber. Yeah, they usually yeah, that can be real. That can be true. Brother, you're an OG. Respect. It's a buy, bro. Maybe. It's a sell. Someone is saying it's a buy. To 260. Someone is saying it's a sell. Thank you for the compliments on my English, but I like the problem. I always say that my problem is my vocabulary is not rich. Sometimes I struggle to express something that in Portuguese I can express easily, you know. And like try to be like, let's say, try to make a joke or speak, like, say something funny. It's harder, you know, like to be myself in how I am in Portuguese, to replicate that in English is very hard because like my vocabulary is not that rich, you know. But it's improving. Doing this every day, it's improving a lot, and I think like the accent is improving as well. I cannot do poll. I can, like, I don't know. I wish I wish I knew how to do polls. I don't know how if I can do polls. But I like if you're going long, type 1, if you're going short, type 2. That's kind of a poll right there. FEMA, yeah. Ooh, it's breaking. It's breaking, guys. Ooh. Yeah, I'm not believing, like, this is too much. This is some breaking news right there. Let's see oil, what it's doing. A little push on oil. Yes. Gold. Ooh, this affected gold very, very much. Yeah, see guys, it traded up below 505. Started making market structure below it. But this is, of course, news related. Yeah, be careful not to FOMO in these shorts. Because if the buyers really want it, this is a discounted price for buy. Yeah, already the algorithms are already filling the gap. It will probably break the high of the candle that dropped like that. I don't know what type of news is, but Certa Bistro. Bistro is going short. See, Bistro is always kind of right. How many evals did you take to pass your first one already? Feel like my first ever eval that I passed, I think it took like more than 10, man. I really did not understood like prop firms when I first started. The path that I took was the longest. I think I took more than 10 evals to start understanding what prop firms are and like how I deal with trailing drawdown, with the account size is not $50,000. The account size is the drawdown that you have. Those types of like mental checks. You shorted 65.75. Stop the break even. Ooh, was a nice dump there. Yeah, I have a really good suspicion that Bistro is like inside the matrix or something like that. You want to join the stream, Bistro? Like I'm going to hop on the Discord. Sorry, I'm only out of it because on the morning session you have to do like push to talk. But I'm here now. Yeah, Mango will be back at some point too. Oh.
Hey.
How you doing, my friend?
How's it going?
Going well. I took some nice trades, some little stop losses, but the trades that I took played well. And you, how you doing? Did you take any trades?
I'm doing pretty good. I got in a short at 195.75 and I'm still in there.
195? Nice, man.
Yeah.
Nice trade. Bro, nice trade. I'm gonna put a line right here. Yeah, this drop is like some news related thing, but I was watching the market structure to the downside. It's
I've just
bistro.
been I've been feeling like shorts a lot lately, man. Like honestly, I think like I've been shorting for like a week straight, honestly, and I can't see that we've like gained like stability quite yet to go back to the upside.
Yeah, that's the right analysis, I think. Yeah, I'm almost going short again here. Yeah, it rejected the middle of it. Yeah, how fun it is that it rejected right in the middle of it. 157. I'm going to short one
Order
here,
filled.
and I'm gonna see if it keeps trading. Yeah, I'm going to short one here, and I'm gonna see if it keeps trading below this order block. If it trades above it, I'm getting out. If it keeps trading below it, I'm riding this trend down too. Yeah, like it's looking like a exhaustion movement because of this huge candle. Could be like a very nice buy point right here.
Man, I had a little bit of crypto and it's not doing so good anymore, man. It's like I'm down like over 50% for sure.
Yeah, dude, I was seeing like BTC price action on the weekly chart. It's not looking good, bro. Like it's aiming the 50,000. So it probably pushes all the other cryptocurrencies too. Like on the weekly, I'm going to show on the stream for the people. Like it's a clear downtrend, and it's a new bear flag forming, and it's already breaking. So there's a swing low at 49,000 that I really think it can, you know, it can go there.
I'm gonna try and hold on to this crypto for a while. Maybe we can get a bounce back. I can maybe take a profit. Who knows?
Yeah. Like long term, I'm more a believer. Like I don't know other cryptos, but Bitcoin long term, I'm a more a believer. Yeah, the short's not playing right now.
Order filled.
Got out. Got out of the trade.
Yeah, I'll probably try and buy some Bitcoin around 40,000. I think would be a good price.
Yeah, I'm waiting like below 49,000. I'm probably going long too. Let me see. The trend is down, but with the war news and anytime Trump can say something, then we can get a face ripping rally. So I always keep a tight stop. Yeah, I agree. If it drops 65% from the high, that's 44k. I won't buy until I see at least below 44k. Yeah. Vaga, have a good night. I won't be. Yeah, the last spot on the drop in Bitcoin for me is like around 30,000. Below that is like some crazy thing happened to the world. Yeah, Revenant. Ooh, I got scared out of the shorts, man.
I'm scared of like a big candle or something. You never know, man.
Yeah, I really did got scared out of the shorts. But it was on 1 micro.
Order filled. Order filled.
I'm going to re-enter.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
I'm probably doing a mistake right here. But what's life? What's a grown man's life without mistakes? I'm betting that this 5-minute candle will close red like this and it will have continuation. That's what I'm betting at. I'm going to take out this marks of execution.
Yeah, hopefully we get some nice action New York session though. That would be kind of cool.
Yeah, that's what I'm riding on. Like, that's what I'm hoping. Like, Friday was a very good New York session in my opinion. Very nice movements.
Yeah, Friday did have a nice price delivery. I ended up waking up like one night, middle of the night, and it was like perfect time for London session. I think I traded like London session. Like, I think it was Wednesday or Thursday night. I had some fun with that too.
Order filled. Order submitted.
Ooh, this is a bad trade. Braden, the 815 orb, never heard of that orb. I got offsided, offsided in this price action right now. Yeah, guys, so starting like to the guys in the chat, starting I think tomorrow I will start doing like London session stream. We'll probably be starting the stream 5:30 New York hour.
Order filled.
Ooh, Nice push down. Don't reject like that.
Order canceled.
Yeah, we will start having London session streams too. Probably end up the stream like 30 minutes before Pasha comes in on New York session, so you guys can just like hop from the London stream to the New York stream. And for the guys that traded, so if you're all welcome to join. I don't like this bounce. Didn't feel me, bro. I managed this trade poorly. Like, the chances of stopping me out right now are huge. I should have force filled this next contract right here. Yeah, I'm planning to sleep. Yeah, I'm planning to sleep. Yeah, I managed this trade very, very poorly. Like, this push down like this was probably some market execution of huge contracts. A bounce was expected, so I should have force filled this next contract right here. Like, I got the first one out, didn't force fill the second one, so I almost got stopped down right here. Like, I'll do this right
Order
now.
filled.
Now I'm only with one
Order
micro, and
canceled.
that I can hold. That I can hold.
Order submitted.
Like, the magnet for the whole Asia session, in my opinion, is 22,950, 945. So maybe I aim for a drop lower. The market structure on the chart is to the downside, lower highs, lower lows. The only thing is that this low right here is probably news related low, so the buyers are appearing here. I don't know if that's the strength, their strength to really push it down. What I wanted in a normal price section was a pullback to this trend line that broke, a rejection, and then I would enter. But sometimes we don't get what we want, so we gotta react off of it. Yeah, I'm gonna see if I can write it out.
You're doing a runner there, Leo?
Yeah, I'm doing a runner right now. I'm considering putting on the break even, but the pullbacks on these pushes are too big. If I put a break even, I'm 100% getting out at break even. But I'm not risking it. Like, if it goes, it goes.
Yeah, I wouldn't risk too much on this, man. It looks kind of sketchy.
Yeah, I took 2 contracts out. You're still on your trade or no?
I have one runner right now, but I pretty much got out when we broke that big wicks low or whatever.
Order filled.
Yeah, I got out too. Like China is about to open in 8 minutes, so probably some
Order
good
canceled.
volatility. Yeah, was a nice rejection of this order block right here. The middle of it, 162. 50 points trade right there. I'll be right back, guys. Just 1 second. Bistro will be having you right now.
Yeah, I'll be here.
Some guys asked you something a little while ago. It's hard to find the messages now. I'm back. Dude, bro, how long have you been trading? I'm trading for 10 years now, brother. I started at 2016. 10 years now. Oh, you're asking Bistro? Okay, that's awesome too. Yeah, that trade is playing still. Yeah. Um. Yeah, man. Like sometimes I have a feedback on the stream, a feed on the stream, and sometimes it gets a little laggy. But I can assure you, it's like it's not because of me. Like I have 0 dropped frames on OBS, and it's like it's clean. Maybe it's YouTube. Like if you're on maybe on the quality resolution of the stream, I dropped to 1080 because 1440 I only stream on that to have a better render on YouTube. I see that it's a little laggy. "30 seconds to China open." Yeah, I don't think. I think the buffering on the stream is less than 3 seconds. So from where my stream goes, you guys receive it in less than 3 seconds. So sometimes that causes to lag. Like if you do a little click back on the feed and give a little bit of buffer, I think it stops. Maybe. Bistro, you take all your trades on TradingView?
Yeah, usually.
Okay, I'm using only TradingView now. Like I'm trying to adjust.
I do log on Tradeovate occasionally, but like most of the time I trade, it's on TradingView.
Yeah, the only thing that I'm not used to yet is the price ticking. It's a little slower, you know. I'm getting used to that.
Yeah, I think the candles are a bit laggy and stuff like that sometimes, and like the price doesn't update right away, but it looks clean, like if you're not too focused on that stuff.
Yeah, what I was saying earlier is that what I'm trying to do is to react when the candles close. So how they tick while they are open doesn't make much a difference right now. On Tradeovate, you can see the price ticking like every millisecond, you know, and like I was getting kind of anxious.
I've been trying to like block out the price and stuff a lot recently.
Yeah. Yeah, this trading channel right now, it's giving a lot of points. I'm just not capitalizing on it. I have never used Starlink, man. Yeah. Have you ever used Starlink, Bistro?
Yeah, I've used it once or twice before. It's all right. I actually have satellite on my phone. I can connect like to Starlink satellites with my phone.
Oh, yeah, so. Yeah, I never used it. But I know a lot of people that has it. So it worked fine. It's not like a fiber uh, internet connection. It has its problems, but overall it works very well. Yeah, for those type of situations like camping, you want to have internet on your like car, on your like truck, on your RV when you're traveling. Like that's the thing. Yeah, for your house, it does not make sense. Like it's a fiber, it's good enough. But if you're on a remote places, it saves you like crazy. Do I short this? What do I do, man?
Order
Why
filled.
don't you short this?
I'll go for another short here.
Yeah.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
So let's see. Yeah, it's kind of bouncing off the 100. Yeah. Let's see.
Order filled. Order submitted.
If the one time that I decided to join the shorts, it breaks to the upside.
Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted. Order submitted.
Yeah, 25 to 30 point stop right now. It's too strong, this push. I'll probably get stopped out.
Order filled. Order filled.
Yeah.
Yeah, I unfortunately got
Order
stopped
canceled. Order canceled. Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
I'm gonna try to join the longs right now. It can be a bad mistake. This can be just a volatility swing. Yeah. Yeah.
Order
Getting out.
filled.
Yeah, not good decisions right there. But that's okay. Oh my god, do I short this?
Order filled.
Oh no, the third bad decision in a row, guys. Third bad decision in a row.
I was able to get a little short scalp at the really top there when you went long. I
Order
got in a
filled.
tiny little short for that little
Order
dip.
filled.
Yeah, I'm going to play this trade right here. If it stops me out, then I wait
Order submitted.
wait for better opportunities, because this is a $300 stop loss right now. Like, but I did bad
Order
decisions.
submitted.
Like I went short here and I took shorts here and I hold more than I should, and I try to go long at the end of the movement, probably, you know. Let's see if it gives me back something.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
But this is probably a FOMO on the short. This is probably a bad decision right now.
I like that short. I want to join you.
Yeah, like I'm like the swings are so big that it can stop me out easily. You know, that's the problem. Yeah, if it stops me out, then I reset and I see what I do. Like reset my mind, not reset the account, you know? Yeah, this looked like a higher low and it's going for higher highs. This is what it looks like. Yeah, it was just a sequence of bad decisions right now. And I was trading like over the amount of contracts that I was trading before. Like yeah, I'm not adding. Arturas, you're from Taiwan? Nice, brother. Thank you. Good luck to you as well. Yeah, this is like I'm in a bad position on a sequence of 2 stop losses in a row. This can be the 3rd stop loss. Like, it's not that big of a stop loss. It's like 25 point stop loss right now. The only problem is that I'm considering that it has a very high probability that sweeps this high again. So in my opinion, there's a good probability that I got like 50% chance that I got stopped out in this trade. But I'm holding. I'm not like,
Are you gonna go break even on it?
Yeah, it's right now it's at break even. Yeah, like I'm seeing this order block right here on the 1 minute. If it keeps trading below it, like it's doing right now, I'm going to hold this trade. Like if it stops me out, it's only 25 points. I can get 25 points back in one trade in the New York session, you know?
Yeah, New York session's been printing lately, man. It's been really, really good.
Yeah. I got caught in this sudden volatility here. Yeah, if I was not short here, I would short this 140 level. The stop loss is like 10 points, 15 points. I'm going to put stop loss at the right place. If it rejects this order block again, I'm probably going to short more.
Order filled. Order submitted.
Yeah, that's
Order
it.
submitted.
If it stops me out, it stops me out. It's 24 point stop right now.
Order filled.
I'm going to deleverage
Order
this trade.
canceled.
I want to see. Sell here? Did you sell? Did you short here, Blasmir? Bro, the order block held like crazy. If I just waited and shorted and at 140, it would be already a nice trade. I'm going for the 110 and 106, and I'm going for the inversion of this fair value gap. This is a yellow one. Oh, not good. Not good.
Order filled.
Yeah, stopped out. Yeah, that's
Order
the problem.
canceled.
Order canceled. Order canceled.
That's the problem. This type of news. Ooh, this is maybe a big news. Yeah, it was probably some type of news, Henrietta.
Order filled.
Man,
Yo,
I'm
what
gonna
are these candles here?
yeah, I'm gonna FOMO in one.
Order submitted. Order canceled. Order submitted. Order filled.
Nice little scalp right there. Bro, this is some huge news right now. For this
Dude,
amount,
what's going on? What is
yeah,
this?
this amount of volatility on Asia, bro, something just happened, man. Yeah, be careful trying to fade this movement. Just close the gap. Yeah, guys, on this movement, like, don't try to fade this. And if you're watching this and you've seen the trader on Sunday Open struggle, making some not so good trades right now. We did some nice trades at the open, but right now I did some bad decisions, but took a nice trade right now. Please hit the like button. Subscribe to the stream. It helps a lot. Thank you. Ooh, the drop. I ran the negotiations. Okay. Silver popped. Gold popped. Oil is bouncing now. Oh, price is swinging like crazy.
We just filled the gap on open.
Oh yeah.
I'm pretty sure we did at least.
Yeah, it filled. It closed like the everything. Rod, you shorted at the gap fill. Beautiful, beautiful trade. Eli just made 400 bucks in 1 second. Nice. I took a long around 75, got cover at 201. Should have gone, like, should have trailed for more. Um,
Hey Leo, I'm gonna go grab some food quick.
Okay, okay.
I'll probably be back in an hour if you're still around.
Okay. Yeah, probably will be here. Yeah.
Alright, if you're here, I'll hop back in, but if not, I'll definitely see you tomorrow morning.
Okay. See you, brother. Take care.
Alright, take care, and everyone else stay safe, and you stay safe as well.
Some nice opportunities. Yeah. Yeah, I'm sad that I think I'm going long
Order
again.
filled. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled. Order canceled.
Trump is trying to catch us, man. That's what he's trying to do. China in 5. Okay. Ooh. That long that I got was kind of good, man. I covered quickly and should have done that. Got little offsided on that trade. Like, yeah, perfect rejection of the middle of the gap. Yeah, but nice volatility overall. Like, this is looking like New York session movement, to be honest. Yeah, guys, like, nice volatility, breaking news and stuff.
Order filled. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled.
Nice scalp before China Open. Oh my god, did anyone catch some nice trades? I know that Eli took some nice trades on this movement. China. Remember Trump saying China. Shorted gold. Let's see. Yeah, it's going your way. Lower high. Dum, dum, dum. DL Smith made $1,000, shorted 260 the blonde. Nice, 260. Beautiful short, almost at the top. It's a short, yeah, I think so too. Oil is recovering. Yeah, but like the problem is, guys, we can short this and like another news can come out, you know? That's the main problem. These are very bullish news, guys. I'm going to try to long this.
Order filled. Order submitted. Order submitted.
Let's see. Let's see if it pushes, guys. Let's see if it pushes, guys.
Order filled.
Going to cover a little
Order
bit.
canceled. Order canceled.
I'm going to cover
Order
a little
submitted.
bit.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Going to cover another bit. And let's see if it goes. Rejection. Rejection. Getting out.
Order filled.
Henrietta, like Trump said that like he said he thinks he will make a deal with Iran pretty soon, and immediately after he said it's possible that we will not. So I don't even know anymore. The only thing I know is that we have to have our stops in the screen. Like, don't leave the trade open without stops, you know, because some crazy news like comes against you, bro. It's going hard. I'm going to play this inverted.
Order filled.
I'm going to play this.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order
Yeah.
submitted. Order submitted.
Let's see if it squeezes down. I'm not like,
Order filled.
okay.
Order canceled. Order canceled.
I don't want to be in if it's not going instantly. $15 rejecting. Yeah, we're probably above EMAs right now, aren't we? Yeah, now it's kind of hard because like we went from huge volatility to slow volatility again. Oil is rejecting. Man, I think I'm gonna play for the
Order
longs
filled.
again
Order filled.
for another push up.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Let's see.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Ooh. Let's see. Yeah. I don't know what else, like another trade that I can take. If it gets swept here, it's okay. It's 22 points. That's not bad. Yeah, the placement of my stop is not that great because it's like in the middle of the fair value gap where it
Order
already
filled.
rejected. Yeah.
Order canceled. Order canceled. Order filled. Order submitted.
I'm going to play this 5-minute gap right here. Like I'm not. Yeah, the only problem is that this news is like it's too much, I think. It can't just be like. Yeah, it can go all the way down to where the news started, man. That's what the reality of it is.
Order filled. Order submitted.
Let's see if it rejects this. this gap. Yeah, I'm making bad decisions right now, guys. Like I'm a little tilted. I'm a little tilted right now. But like it's all good. I think I'm minus 400 bucks on the session. This trade will put me minus 600 bucks if I get stopped out.
Order filled.
Yeah, this is 9 micros, so I'm going to stop out below this candle right here.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
Yeah, it's too heavy. Yeah, it's too heavy, man. This is not a good trade. I'm gonna get out of this trade.
Order filled.
Yeah, I'm making a lot of mistakes in sequence. Like I'm minus 750 bucks now. Yeah, I have to recompose myself, to be honest. I'm not understanding the market at all. I switched a lot between different time frames, and right now I'm not making good decisions. I was long. I got out. Yeah, I'm not trading more than 3 micros right now. I got a little tilted. Like I took trades with more leverage than I should, but it's all good. Fake pop, then more down, yeah. Yeah, I don't see how I can make yeah, I don't see how how I can make back the 700 bucks that I'm down right now. Yeah, I really don't. Like only on New York session I will probably have the volatility I need. Yeah, oil, it's almost going all the way back. Like on this, like I think we'll probably see the low of this candle getting disrespected. Yeah, this was a nice like short to be like I took the shorts here, but I didn't believe enough because you know I was kind of tilted. This was a perfect short. Look at this, perfect short. I took this short, but I didn't believe it. Yeah, it's a 150k account. Yeah. Yeah, really, like it happens. Like it happens. Yeah, I think I was 400 bucks up on the trades that I took around here. Like in a normal day, 400 bucks, I would be out already. But I kept trading, like, because I'm here with you guys. So it's no problem. It's like
Order filled.
it's part of it. Like I'm going for this long on the 2-minute chart.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
I'm going for the whole thing. Let's see. I'm going to believe that it's going to be a nice long. Who said that? Pip Hunter, if we close high enough, could be a clip. Higher low. Gap filling down again. Yeah, it rejected off that gap like crazy. Yeah, I'm not like I'm missing. I'm not hitting one good trade right now. Yeah, it sucks to end like the night like this, like making such horrible trades in a row. Where's Trump when you need it? Like, do another like breaking news. Like I'm going to believe that Trump can do another breaking news. Like he can do it. I know that he can. I'm going for the full 100 points, guys. I'm going to believe that. I know that he can. Who believes with me? You're too kind, Lynette. Yeah, no, I took some good trades, but I think I got carried away on this movement here. I was short around here, was not good. And on this movement here, I over leverage. I was trading like 3. That's the thing. I was making good trades. I was trading like 3 micros at most, but over here I took like 9 micros and I got like 2 very bad trades around here. That if they were 3 micros, I would be good, but with 9, like it's 3 times. It's like making 3 bad trades in a row, and I did 2, so like it stacks up the losses real quick, and erases like the good trades that I took got erased by 1 over leverage right here. Right here, it really was a good short. I took this short, but I didn't believe in it. I'm going to close this trade because I just took it like out of revenge as well. It can work, but I do not want it. I'm down 750 bucks right now. I think I'll probably I don't know how many trades I'll take anymore. Well, not reacting, okay. Kinda bouncing. Guys, can we get this stream to 150 likes or above? It's 10 likes away. Who's the 10 candidates to hit the like button? Like right now, right now. Do a solid for a poor old guy that just got smashed on this longs right here. Liked? Nice, thank you. Just did? Nice, man. Dude, bro, you're the man. Elsa's, you're, I don't know if you're the man, but probably the man. Thank you guys, thank you guys. You guys are awesome. Yeah, Henrietta, like being down 700 bucks on a 150k, it's okay. Like on New York session, I can make that easily. Like on right now on Asia, it's not that easy, you know. Like by the problem, I took good trades, but I over leveraged in 2 of them and got wrecked. Like that's the problem. Like if I was taking with 9 micros all of the trades, I wouldn't be red right now, because the trades that I got that went my way, the wins would have been bigger. The problem is that the trades that I took that went my way was with 3 micros, and right here, because I tilted a little bit, I went in with 9. But I'm probably tempted to jump back in the longs.
Order filled.
If it closes below 130, I'm getting out. I'm going to put a stop around here
Order
just
submitted.
to have a stop on the screen. But if it closes below 130, I'm getting out.
Order filled. Order submitted. Order submitted.
I just hope it gives me the chance. If it's going to stop me out, give me the chance to stop out early at 130. This will probably be my last trade tonight, because I'm not like, I will be down almost 900 bucks right now. Clear sell, yeah. This is a lower high. Yeah, maybe I'm just all upside down right now. I'm hoping for things that will not happen right now, to be honest. Oil corrected, yeah. It gave back all. So the chances, like, see how, like, I'm saying that the chances of the price going all the way back to where the news started are huge, and I'm taking trades where my stop loss is exactly there. So that when you know that you're not doing the right thing, that's when you know. Let's see if I got a bounce. Yeah, I'll probably close this trade at a loss. Yeah, I'm not hitting anything right now. I'm closing this trade. Yeah, I cannot trade anymore today. Yeah, this is it for me. I'm down 850 bucks I'm down today. Yeah, I think I'll get out earlier today because probably do the London session stream tomorrow. I have like to confirm it with Pasha, but I'll probably do the London session tomorrow, and I have to sleep to do that. Then I think I'll probably get out earlier today than we did like last Sunday. Yeah, I got a little bummed out. Like I was doing well, but the over leverage is what like I paid the price. This subsequent trades right here was just like a reaction of not reading price well anymore. So like let me reset right here. Let me hit reset right here. Yeah, price action wise, we have this 5-minute order block right here. This is the probably possible good trade to be taken. Like if it rejects 115, it's a possible good long because it's going to sweep the low of the news candle. Like it's imminent. Janus, yeah, maybe that's it. Andre, I think it's 1 hour, 1 hour and 30 minutes after London session opens. So in my time would be 6:30 a.m. In New York time would be 5:30 a.m. It's a test. We'll do like a run of 1 week, 2 weeks to see how it goes. And I hope it goes well. To me, it's a good thing to do. You know? It's just like it happens that doing the Asia on Sunday and doing on the Monday, the next one, it's kind of gets too close one to the other. Yeah, it's a little late for me like right now on Sunday, so I'm little tired too. That's why like my energy went down a little bit. Next one in, scale lower. Next one, scale in, lower, long under that low. Yeah, like in my opinion, we're going to hit this 115 level.
Order filled.
Yeah, I'm going to take
Order
this
filled.
trade.
Order
Like
submitted.
if I have that opinion, I might as well take the trade.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Let's see if it's enough. Yeah. Let's see if it's enough. I'm forcing this trade. Like don't fall. Like if there's anyone following me by this point, please don't follow this trade. Trend line break, but the volume's not there. Yeah. Yeah, where's the volume when you need it? Yeah, I'm forcing this trade, to be honest. Really forcing this trade. Next 1 hour almost closing. The 5 minutes going to close against me. Oil is pumping. I have to be a little lucky with this trade right now. Little lucky. But I'm short, bro. Like, you want me to trade oil? I'll probably get stopped out and that's it.
Order filled.
Yeah, that's it.
Order canceled.
Try the last one.
Order canceled.
Yeah, now I'm 900 down. It's following oil inverse. Yeah, but I was short right now and oil is going up. Yeah, bad trades, guys. Like right here around 2130, like 220 level. I got some bad trades there. Like, I took a nice short around the 230 level, didn't believe in it, and went long right here. I went long around here. And I went long around here with like 9 micros. Not good idea. So I with 9 micros is basically 1 mini. So like 30 points is 600 bucks down. I took minus 600 bucks around here. And I think I longed again around here and again. Same thing. So that's why I think I was 400 bucks up and went like 900 bucks down. So but it's 150k account. New York session, I'll get it back. Look at the 1 hour, let's see. Channel like this, yeah, you may be right. Yeah, but now like the problem now is that I'm not seeing price action clearly. I'm not seeing anything clearly. That's the main problem. Every decision that I make, it's probably the wrong one, to be honest. So now way more like this. Like, but what does it help me, man? But yeah, it's a parallel channel right here. It broke to the downside in my opinion. Is this what you're talking about? I don't know. Brother, you're trolling me. Yeah, I have to go to sleep, to be honest, Henrietta. And that's the lesson right there. Don't over leverage, because it will wipe out all the good trades you took. But it's only I like, guys, I'm kind of like I'm giving more thought than it's needed, to be honest. Like, I took a sequence of like 3 bad trades and 2 tiny trades that was just like kind of out of revenge, not accepting the loss. Yeah, but I'm happy that you guys are here sticking with me. Like 3 hours and 3.5 hours in. Yeah. Shake it off. Yeah. Yeah. I'm like, I'm bummed out that I did such poorly. Like I took poorly executed trades, you know? I took bad trades. That's what I'm bummed out about. And a little like my energy is a little like I'm 5% right now, guys. A lot of people can relate. Lots of ups and downs. Kind of hard to get a good position with the fake outs. Yeah, yeah. To be honest, it's like if you come in, you take 1-2 good trades, and you take the profit and run. That's the best option. If you keep trading like I did, at some point you risk making bad decisions. What time is London session, guys? Lynette, probably 8 hours. 8. Like I will start streaming probably 8 to 9 hours from now. London session will open, I think, 6 hours, 7 hours from now. 7 hours from now. I'll probably start streaming again. 8.5 to 9 hours from now. And I will do like a 2.5 hour, 3 hour stream, because then Pasha comes in with New York session and we hop to New York session, you know? With him. And like probably the London session will be like more regularly, you know? Because it's better for me. But I'll probably do Sunday opens too. If you build up accounts like you and Pasha did, all you need is 50 to 100 a day, easily doable to have a great life. 100%, man. Silver flying, nice. Ooh, it's really going. Yeah. Yeah, this new 1 hour didn't do much. Kind of inverted this gap on the 5. It gave a nice bounce here, 20. But that's the main thing, guys. Like if you don't stop trading, at some point you risk giving it all back, you know? That's what just happened. Because I was like 400 bucks up. It was 400 bucks for Asia session. For me, it's a good enough profit. If I just keep it cool, didn't trade anymore, I wouldn't risk it, you know? If you keep trading, you risk it, you know? And the outcome was bad for me right now. And of course, like the over leveraging is all my fault, you know? Like there's no other way to put it. Like I should have went to 9 micros. I was trading 3, it was all good, but I went to 9 and I paid the price. That's it. Yeah, like less exposure to the market. Like I've said this before. Every time you take a trade, you're exposing yourself to the market. And the outcome, it's control, but it's a fake control because you can change your mind in the middle of it. You can start a trade with 1 micro and thinking that you're doing the right thing, and you tilt on that trade and you over leverage 10x, 20x the amount without reason, and you end up like losing a lot of money. Yeah, it's normal. It's just a learning opportunity. But it's nice. I'm happy that you guys are here. Like, honest. Like, for real. Really happy. So, we'll probably have, like, London sessions stream more regularly. will be probably a 2-hour stream, 2.5-hour stream before New York session. We'll see how that goes. And New York session with Pasha every day. And that's it, I think. I think we have some nice things coming out, like to help you guys. Yeah. Peep Hunter, you long? Yeah, right now I'm not doing anything anymore, man. Right now I'm not doing anything. Yeah, trading pennies. Ask them for the like. It's the fuel that feeds the stream for the algorithm. Because every time you guys hit the like button, the algorithm from YouTube goes like, whoa, some people are liking this stream. Let me show them to more people, you know? Looks like he wants to push higher, needs to close above VWAP. He's doing that now, like everyone. Yeah. Where's the volume? Yeah, it's back. Yeah, I'm not taking any more trades. Guys, 3.5-hour stream. You guys were awesome. I think I'm going to call it a night. I'll be back tomorrow with the London session stream and New York session with Pasha. Yeah, I'm a little bummed out that I took some bad trades on the end, not gonna lie. But that's life. That's life right there. So let me thank you guys for real to be here again. I think it's the third Sunday open stream that we did. I'm enjoying this a lot. I'm very thankful for Pasha for letting me do this. I'm very thankful for everyone that has like welcomed me, you know, and like give support, everyone in the chat, everyone that appears that just come in and like listen to us. It's awesome. It's really, really awesome. I don't know how to thank you guys, to be honest. Oh, look at that push down. Now FOMOing. Franco, yeah, that would be better days. Yeah, it was just the same way. I got good days. Some are going to be bad. You know? Gotta be cool about it. Thank you, Henrietta. Thank you for the support. You're always here, like keeping the chat engaged. The normal stream is during New York session. That's the regular stream with Pasha. And I'm here too, but I'm only guys like on the Discord. The regular stream with Pasha, like he's the owner of the channel, like owner of the community. Not owner, but like the leader of the community. You guys can use the code if you're buying new evals, new funded accounts. You can use the code Pasha everywhere for the best discount that helps the stream to keep going. So that's also a nice thing to, like, I think you can do, because that discount is going to someone. If you do, if you can give to someone that you like, even better, you know. And like and subscribe. That's how it helps. Like I don't know how to end streams, like now. Pasha does a like very nice outro. I don't know how to do that. No, Henrietta, you talk the right amount. You're awesome, to be honest. Oh yeah, Lucid, like he doesn't have like the Lucid didn't give him the affiliation. I don't know why. Yeah, I don't have the news dude announcing turned on. I don't have it. Like it's only on New York session and Tick Strike 2. Ponzi Zombie Killer. I don't have it. Thank you, dude. Thank you, Lynette, for being here. Thank you, everyone. I think I'm going to stop the music and I'm gonna thank you guys once again. And we'll be back for a New York session. We'll be back for a London session. We'll be back every single day and just give you guys a good company while you trade and try to make a living out of it. Thanks, Mats. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. I'll see you guys tomorrow.